Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the exact settings panel that controls scaling and zoom. On Windows, press Windows plus I then System Display. On Mac OS, open System Settings displays. Make sure any external monitors are connected so the system shows correct options. Once done, look for Scale, Resolution, or Zoom options. These adjust the entire screen versus only text. This gets you straight into the controls you'll change, saving time and preventing guesswork before you make adjustments. You'll now change the values to get comfortable size and clarity. Increase scale or decrease resolution in one-step increments and between each change test apps and menus. That helps you find a sweet spot without blurring. If you need temporary, use a magnifier or zoom accessibility tool and learn the keyboard shortcuts. Control++ or Option plus Command +8 on Mac, so you can zoom on demand. Make sure to apply and sign out if requested, because some scaling changes require a session restart to take full effect. Finish by checking multiple applications and browser pages to ensure nothing is clipped and text remains sharp. If menus or buttons appear too large or cut off, reduce scaling slightly or pick a different resolution. If fonts look blurry, toggle Clear Type, Windows, or enable font smoothing, Mac OS. Make sure display drivers are current because outdated drivers cause scaling artifacts. If problems persist, reset display settings to defaults and repeat changes in smaller increments. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.